Love those eyebrows. Hello and welcome to more Yotsuba manga. I'm going to be breaking down all of the Japanese grammar and vocabulary from a few pages from Yotsuba. And today we're going to be starting up a brand new chapter, nice and fresh. Our new chapter for today is Omiyage. And I've just put in the notes below me so you can follow along there or just listen along. It's all good. So omiyage means a present or a souvenir. This is also the 14th chapter. We zoom in here. You can see it all small. This dai here is the ordinal suffix, so it's the 14th. And then wa. Also, this is the same kanji from hanashi, meaning like a story or to talk. And this is a counter for stories, so it's the 14th story, the 14th chapter as we would put it in English. So here we're starting off nice and calm, little shots of the city. We have Fuka. She's doing the shopping and she's coming home on her bike. Oh, but she's meeting up with one of the neighborly Obasama. So Fuka's all, konnichiwa, hi. Oh, Fuka-chan. It's like, oh, Fuka, her name. Chan is a suffix for kind of more like younger kids. So this works between our nice Obasan and Fuka. Next, she's all, atsui ne, kai mono. So atsui is hot. Ne is asking for confirmation, like, right, it's hot, right? Then kai mono is shopping. And she's just like raising her intonation here, so she doesn't have to say like ka or no to make it a question. So she's like, shopping? Is that what you're doing? She's like, hi, yup, that's it, got it. Next, Fuka goes on to say, 夏休み中は私が買い物当番なんですよ. So, break it down. 夏休み is summer vacation. Chu is during, so like during the summer break. Wa makes that a topic, that's what we're talking about. Then watashi is her, it's Fuka, ga making her the subject. Since this is a topic, we're still talking about summer vacation, but as for her, during the summer vacation, kaimono is shopping, and then toban is duty, so she's on shopping duty, it's her responsibility to do the shopping. And then nandes is, like you might see it more often as no des or ndes. This nan is standing in for no, which is the explanatory no, just saying the matter of the fact is, this is something I'm explaining to you, and des just for politeness. So like the matter of the fact is, I'm on shopping duty, and yo just for emphasis. And our nice little Ba-sama is like, soria erai wa. So is just pretty much. And then soria is like that. It's an expression like for sore and wa together. And then erai is great or wonderful, admirable. And wa is a bit feminine emphasis here. It's like, oh, that's so great. You're actually helping. Because she goes on to say, uchi no ko nante ne. So uchi is our house. And then no is linking that to ko, which is the kid. It's like my kid or the kid in our house. And then nante ne is like a colloquialism that's just like, nah, she's not doing that. No. Our kid would never help out with shopping. Oh, it's so bad. You have to teach him some manners. And then Fuka's just leaving. She's like, soreja, bye. See you later. Gotta finish shopping. And here she's reached home. So next we are at home inside. So here we are with Asagi, who's newly returned from Okinawa from vacation. And this day here, she's like, then or and. Like, and then this happened. So like she was probably telling something and we just kind of jumped in mid-sentence here. We have, これがena no omiyage. So kore is this. And ga makes that the subject. Ena is her name. And then no makes that possessive of omiyage, which is a present or a souvenir. So this is Ena's souvenir or her gift. She's like, wow, yay! Arigato, thanks. Now she's all opening it with the gasa gasa. It's her like tearing opening all of this wrapping paper. It's like, nani kana? So nani is what? And kana is like, I wonder. It's like, I wonder what's in it. And here's mom's like, Watashi no wa. Watashi is me. No is nominalizing it, like a thing, kind of like my thing. Where is my thing? Wa just making that the topic here. My thing, where's mine? Oh, kawaii. It's pretty cute. Love those little eyebrows. So here she's going on, inspecting her new little friends. これってなんて言うんだっけ? So これ is this. Te is the casual quoting particles, like as for this. Nante is like what. And you, this is just kind of casual for you. They're just saying you versus you, which is very similar. And that means to say or to call. So like, what is this called? That's what we're getting at. This is short for no, which is the explanatory no. So like explaining, she's asking. It is a matter of fact that I'm asking, what is this thing called? And then dake is this expression for like when the speaker is trying to recall something. It's like, oh, what was that again? Dake, I don't know. It's like, oh, what was this called again? I forget. But mama knows. She's like, ah, shitteru? Shiza yo? It's like, oh, I am knowing it's Caesar. Yo, or shisa. I keep wanting to say Caesar though. But shitteru is the teiru form of shiru, which is to know or to understand. So she's knowing what this is. That is a godan nu ending. So there would usually be a do like this. But right here, we're just shiru. But we're changing that do out to its te form, which just goes to tiny two and a te for shitte. And then we're adding on a new do. It would usually be iru, but we're killing the e. That would be right here. So it's just a little bit faster to say. More formally, it'll be shitteru, but here it's just shitteru. So like a little easier to say, a little more casual. So she's knowing, she's possessing the knowledge that this little fuzzy dude is shisa. Yup. Emphasis. And the shisa, it's just like this Okinawan lion or lion dog if you've heard them before. They're like those statues that are placed in front of temples, roofs, entrances to protect you from evil. So I think this is specifically an Okinawan version of it. But you know, if you've seen anime and stuff, you've seen some kind of lion dog floating around at some point in front of a temple doing good stuff. So that's what he is. But this is Mama's explanation of what he is. Mayoke na nanika no kaiju. Kaiju is a bit mean. I don't know. It's a little much. So Mayoke is like a charm against evil spirits. And then ka is like a question mark, but it's kind of like something like that. It's some kind of evil spirit charm, or nani ka, it's some kind of thing like that. And then no is linking that to kaiju, which means monster or beast. They're like freaking Godzilla. So it's like a Godzilla kind of thing that like protects you from evil or something. Like, no. Asagi agrees. Kaiju ka? Like, kaiju? Really? And then Ka makes that a question. So it's like, that's a bit much. He's a nice guy. He's not an evil guy. Oh, Godzilla isn't really evil, so I guess it's fine. Maybe it's fine. Then Gao, she's making it roar. So cute. And then we have etto. Ah, これはfuka no da. So etto is oh, and then kore is whatever she's looking at, this thing off screen. Wa, as for whatever this is. Then fuka, who's the sister we saw before, who's not here yet. And then no is kind of nominalizing this and making it possessive. So like this is the thing that's Fuka's, it's Fuka's thing. And then da makes that declarative. We're ending this sentence here. It's like, oh, this is Fuka's, period. We have Goya! Okay. So she's explaining, this is Okinawa Gente Goya t-shirts. So Okinawa, where she was from, and then Gente is like a limited edition, so it's only available in Okinawa, this Goya t-shirt. And then yeah, T is just English, totally English T, and then Shatsu. This is in katakana because it's a loan word, because this is just English, it's just shirt, so t-shirt. I'm sure you probably know what that is. And she's like, Okay. Okay, that's fine. We're okay with this. So, Sagi's gonna explain what's up with this t-shirt. ほら、Fuka, 家で変な T-shirt よく着ってるじゃない? You're not wrong. So, hora is hey. Fuka, again, is the other girl. Ie is their house, and de is showing the location. So, in the house, around the house. Hen is strange. Na is required because this is a na adjective, so you need to put na after it to actually like make it explain what this t-shirt is. It's a strange t-shirt. And then yoku is frequently. Next we have kiteru, which is the teiru form of kiru, which is to wear, and that is specifically to wear things like from the neck down. So it'd be like a different verb to put on a hat and stuff. They have different words for that, so it's a little different from English, but it's fine. So to make that to a teiru form, that would usually have a do right here, and it's just ichiran, so that do swaps out to our te, and then you would put on iru for this to be kiteiru, but we're making it casual with no e right here. Nope, nope. So that's just kiteru, which means wearing. It's like the gerund, the ing form. You're doing that action. So she's often wearing weird t-shirts in the house. Janai is like, isn't it? Isn't the fact that? Isn't that something she does? She's like, yeah, but. Next we have Tadaima. This is Fuka. She's come home. So she's like, I'm home. I'm here. Then, kaete kita. So, just Then kaete kita is the te kuru past form of kairu, which is to return. It's like, oh, she's returned. So you first change that to a teiru. Unlike before, this is a godan new verb. So a do would be here, but it's got swapped out to this tiny two and a te. So I see before with this ichiran verb, you don't need that tiny two, you just go straight to the te. This is a godan, so you need the tiny two. So kairu becomes kaite, and then you would add on kuru for kaite kuru, which would mean to like go and do that. So you went and returned. But this is also to the past form, and kuru in its past form is kita because it's an irregular verb. So kaite kuru becomes kaite kita. So it's like you have gone and returned. Like, oh, you're back. Yay. And here's Fuka. She's all, atsu, it's hot. Kura, ocha. I want the cool. I want the air conditioning. I want my tea. It's so hot out there. It's natsu yasumi. It's summer vacation. Oof, I know it gets hot in Japan. Oh no. Fuka, from the other room, they're all, Asagi ga omiyagi ga katte kaitteru yo. So, just her name. This is Asagi, which is the oldest girl who's just come back. And ga makes her the subject. Then omiyage are presents. And then katte is a te form of kao, which is to buy. This is making it so we can kind of link sentences together, like and in English. So she bought and did this. And that's a godan u ending. So the u just swaps out this tiny two and a te for its te form. She bought and kaitteru, which we just had before. The same, except this is teiru versus teikuru. She's doing that. So again, for that do that would be here, change it to a tiny two and a te, similar to this cow. And then you would add on iru for its more formal version, but we're killing that e to make it fast. So instead of kaiteiru, it's kaiteru. So she has come home, she's coming home. And then yo makes that emphasis. She's like, oh, okay. So Fuka, Asagi has presents that she's bought and come home with. Oh no, and here she is inspecting that shirt. I wonder what she's gonna think. But if you want to figure that out, you're gonna have to come back for the next video because we are done for this video. I hope you learned something, had fun. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Mata ne!